Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, the maize yield for the year 2001 was 2743178 kg and in the next year it increased to 4146427 kg. Now in the question we have been asked to the we have to find out the total increase in yield in 2002. That is, we have to simply subtract the yield of 2002 from the yield in 2001. So let's proceed. So yield increase in 2002 will be equals yield produced in 2002 minus yield produced yield produced in 2001, right? So the yield of 2002 was 414146427 kgs and the yield of 2001 was, so the yield of 2002 was this and the yield of 2001 is 2743178 kgs. Okay, now let's carry out the calculation. So 4146427 minus 2743178. Okay, now see, 8 is greater than 7, so we have to convert 7 to 17 and thus we have 1 as a carry. So 17 minus 8 will give us 9. We have 1 as a carry. Add that carry to 7. So 7 plus 1 will become 8. Since 8 is greater than 2, so 2 will be converted to 12. So 12 minus 8 will be 4. We have 1 as a carry. Add 1 to 1. So 4 minus 2 will give us 2. 6 minus 3 will give us 3. 4 minus 4 will give us 0. Again 1 minus 7 will give us 4. We have 1 as a carry. Add that to 2. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. And 4 minus 3 will give us 1. So ultimately we will have 1403249 and the unit will be kg. Therefore 1403249 kgs will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.